Hello, kids. Today, me and you were on a farm to go see some animals. Would you like to learn about them?
Yes.
Yep. Let's learn about them and go check them out. What their animals' names are. Bumblebee. Caterpillar. Donkey. Iguana. Llama. Nightingale. Queen bee. Xenops. Cow. Dog. Ferret. Horse. Rabbit. Turkey. Goat. Meh. Jackdaw. Newt. Owl. Pig. Quail. Real. Ox. Yak. Zebu. Dragonfly. Frag. Hen. Mouse. And woodpecker. Thank you for learning my farm animals and tell their names are. Until I hope you like animals or other objects, please hit and subscribe. Until the next comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.